Hey, tech enthusiasts! Big news from Xiaomi. They've just unveiled their latest flagship phones, and trust me, you'll want to hear about these. Stick around to find out what makes the Xiaomi 14 series so exciting. So, what can you expect from Xiaomi's latest? Well, for starters, they're the first to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. That's some serious power under the hood. The Xiaomi 14's display is no slouch either, reaching an impressive 3000 nits of peak brightness. And the camera? It can capture 180% more light than its predecessor, the Xiaomi 13. Oh, and did I mention the fast charging? The regular Xiaomi 14 boasts 90-watt fast charging, while the Pro model takes it up a notch with. But that's not all. Both phones run on Xiaomi's latest HyperOS software. It's not just for phones, it's designed to power mobile devices, cars, and even smart home gadgets. Xiaomi's pushing the boundaries here. Now, why are we so excited about these devices? Xiaomi is known for packing a punch, powerful performance, massive cameras, and speedy charging. As the third largest phone maker globally, behind Apple and Samsung, Xiaomi's innovations always make waves in the industry. And let's talk about next year's phones. Rumor has it they'll bring a perfect blend of new AI features and updates to staples like charging speeds. While AI in phones is still finding its place, the promise of software features that genuinely bring something new and useful? That's refreshing. There you have it, folks. Xiaomi's shaking things up again with the Xiaomi 14 series. Are you as excited as we are? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, this is Ikram, signing off.